been participating numerous acting competition, and all were so good. But right now I would like to share with you a prominent acting that I recently did, and it was none other than a acting competition which was held in Cox's Bazar, and we all of students went there through our institution, and it was really great journey for me. And if I talk about what was the acting rules in this institution, and it was about help a person who was very needy, and I have been recruited for do it with a person, and I did really well in this competition. And after doing that, all of my peers giving me a great applause, which made me fly in the air, and I was given a first candidate. And after getting a first prize, I was feel really great, and I think in future I will take part a lot of competition that will make me feel over the moon.